Hello everybody, it's TJ from TJ's Art. Today I'm showing a digital project using the Graphics Fairy Premium Membership Bundles. You want to check back later for the how-to project. It'll be posted on the premium site. I enjoy creating mail art to mail my art friend. We exchange each month. For this particular project, I used the envelope and pocket template, the yellow and purple botanicals, and the delicate end paper bundles. Creating digital art is much less messy than using stamps or any art supplies. If you make a mistake, it's easy to edit, and experimenting with layering smaller or larger elements is super easy too. What I like about using digital art is that you can also have subtle changes in color. See the backgrounds, you can see the green here, or the blue, or the other blue here. It's really easy to do, and in the how-to I'm going to show you how to do that. But basically what I did was I downloaded the envelope template and I printed these out, and actually I taped these, but you could definitely use stick glue, which for probably a neater look. But I designed all of these in Photoshop Elements, then I printed them, and then I cut them out. And the plan is to write my note on here and fold them and stick them in the envelope. And what's nice about using Photoshops is also you can, this was an 8.5 by 11 sheet, but I did 2 on one sheet and then cut it, in the middle. And then for the postcard size, I actually did 4 on an 8.5 by 11 sheet. If you have a color printer, it's real easy to print them out. And so I'll write my little note on here and fold it and stick it in the envelope. The envelope that I used the template for the Graphics Fairy, but when I printed it out, I used a setting on my printer to actually print it a fuller size so that it fills the whole 8.5 by 11 sheet. I really enjoy it, and you can see that some of the patterns are a little bit larger, like the pansies here on this envelope. I used the same pansies here, which is much smaller. I used a little dragonfly, and then you can see the background pattern. I used the same one on these 2 envelopes. I just changed the background color, and as you can see, this matches the blue one, and this matches the kind of the teal one. But what's nice about Photoshop is you can easily change these colors, and for the how-to I show you how to do that. And when you're creating it, you have to keep in mind that the flaps are going to be upside down when you flip them over. And sometimes if it's an all-over pattern and they're going every which way, it doesn't matter too much. But like on this one, when you create it, I think these are daylilies, are sort of upside down when you're creating it on your sheet, but then when you fold it over, then it's right side up. And that makes a little more sense when you're actually in the graphics program. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this project, and I look forward to sharing the how-to with you on the premium site. Thank you.